Hi friends, welcome to Unscripted Programming, and in this video we practice some interview questions on ls command. So guys, if you have not watched our ls command video, then please watch it and the link of that video in the description box. So guys, let's start without wasting time. So friend, our first question is, how will you list files from a directory? So there are two possible answers and we are talking about ls concept. So our first answer is related to ls command. We have to check our current directory, so we have to print our pwd command and we can check here our current directory, and we have to use the command ls, and you can see here from ls command we can list our files from the directory. An alternative solution of this problem is we have to use the command echo space asterisk symbol, and you can list all the files from a directory. So friend, our second question is, how will you list all the directories only using echo command? So in this question we have to use only the echo command. So the solution of this problem is we have to use our echo command and space asterisk symbol and forward slash, and you can see here all the directories are listed. So friend, our third question is, how will you list all the files within a directory including hidden files or dot files? So we need to use option dash a with ls command. So ls space dash small a, and you can see here all the files are listed in the directory. Here you can see also the dotted files, or we can see hidden files. Our fourth question is similar to third question, but there is a little difference. So our fourth question is, how do you list all the files within a directory including hidden files but not dotted file or implied files? So in this problem we have used ls space dash and capital A, and you can see here there are no dotted files. As you can see in question number 3 there are two dotted files, but in question number 4 there are no dotted files. Our fifth question is pretty simple, and question is, how will you print the content of a directory in long format listing? So we have to use only the ls space dash and small l, and you can see here all the content of the directory in long listing format on the screen. So our sixth question is combination of third and fifth question, and the question is, you have to suppose the print the content of a directory in long format listing showing hidden files. So in this problem we have used ls space dash and la, this command, and you can see here you can see the dotted files or dotted directory in the long listing format. So question is pretty simple and we have think only a small bit. Our seventh question is very simple question, and question is, how will you figure out the author of each file? So in this problem we have used ls command and with the author option. So the command is ls space dash dash author space dash and small l, and you can see here all the author of the files. Our eighth question is, list the size of files and folder in desired scale format. So we have to use here block size equal to scale option with the option L. So the command for this ls space dash dash block dash size equal to capital M space dash small l. We have to use this command, and you can see here we have listed all the files and folder in desired scale format. So our ninth question is, list the files within a directory but don't show the backup files or files those end with tilde symbol. So here we use the command ls space dash and capital B, and you can see here in my PC there is no file which end with tilde symbol, so it can show simply this. Our next question is very important, and the question is, sort all the files within a directory by name and show associated last modification information. And we have to use the command ls space dash small c and small l, and you can see here the time and the date means the modification date. Our last question but not the least, and the question is very important, and question is, how will you control the output of ls command to be colorful or no color? The solution of this problem is we have to use the option color equal to parameter. So let's understand with the command. We have to use the command ls space dash dash color color equal to, and there are three options, means never, auto or always. So if we use the command never, so you can see here there is no color in the file and the directory, and if you use the command always, you can see here in the directories there is a blue color and files are of white color. So that's enough in today's video. I hope you understand all the commands, and if you have any doubt, post your doubt in the comment section, and if you are new on this video, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.